I'm Glyn Smallwood and I'm the director and founder of Glyn Smallwood Interiors. We've been around for 43 years plus. I got a job card from the labourer, as it were, in them days to go for an interview for an upholsterer. Then I went on to do an apprenticeship with one of the biggest firms in Sheffield at the time, and then went on from there basically. We offer a service of reupholstery, from stripping the frame right down to the bare frame, putting all the new foam back on, doing any repairs that are needed to the frames, and then putting all the new fabric back on, which is a choice of whatever fabric the customer wants. The new furniture that we make is all bespoke, so you have it to the design that you want. So you can have something to fit in a corner, a specific corner, or you can have something to be made to fit in a recess that you've got, which is a certain size. So the size is determined by you really. All the furniture that we do make, all the frames are made in-house, so everything's dowelled and screwed. It's all solid hardwood as well. We use all solid beech hardwood frames. To create high quality furniture, we have to have apprenticeship trained upholsterers. They're all traditionally trained and they've all spent a long time in the trade, so they've all been in it sort of 20 years plus. The range of fabrics that we do are anything from Covertex, Ross's to Designers Guild up to Ralph Lauren. If you have a dream sofa in mind, then we can turn that dream into a reality.